Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by typing a focus search phrase so Google returns fewer irrelevant links. Use the movie title plus a year or a lead actor to narrow results. This helps if multiple films share a name. Add words like streaming, trailer, or showtimes to target intent. Once done, check search settings for location and language, so results match nearby theaters or region-locked platforms. Make sure to glance at the top results and the knowledge panel for quick streaming links and official pages. After initial results appear, apply filters to focus on videos or news. Click videos to see trailers and platform-specific listings. Scan the knowledge panel and official studio pages for release and availability details because those are more reliable than random blogs. Verify platform credibility. Look for well-known streaming services or theater chains. Preview snippets and timestamps to confirm the clip or screening time matches what you want. If you see multiple versions, compare run times and descriptions to avoid fan edits or truncated uploads. Finish by opening the official streaming, rental, or theater page and confirming price, video quality, and region availability before committing. If Google redirects to apps, use trusted browser extensions or go through the platform's official app store. Make sure your account and payment details are ready if required. If you can't find the movie, search alternate titles, international release names, or the exact release year. This often uncovers region-specific listings. Troubleshooting tip: clear cache or try incognito to bypass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.